So this car has the Defender SiO2 sealant by P&S on it. We applied it about a month ago. Everybody's asking, let's see the durability, let's see the durability. Now is the perfect opportunity. We're gonna check the durability on this stuff. This truck has just gotten back from the snow. It has salt on it, it has dirt on it, it has dried up water on it. It's nasty. It's very, very bad. This truck would probably need 2 washes, I would say, if it didn't have any type of protection on it. We're gonna do one section with simply just a rinse with the pressure washer. We're gonna do another section with our pre-wash and rinse, and then we're gonna wash the whole car. We're gonna let you guys know, we're gonna give you a recap on the hydrophobics, on the activity of the actual coating itself, the slickness upon the wash, and then also the finishing. Stick around for the whole video. We're gonna show you at the end, and of course you can always pick up all the products that we use, including P&S Defender, linked in the description below at our detail shop. So we have our built hammer. This is our pre-wash solution. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spray one of the panels with this here, let it dwell for about a minute, and then we're gonna spray it off. The other section, we're just gonna do simply just a rinse and then see what we have from there, so we get a true idea of what type of protection is being left behind. And then after we get the results of those two, we're gonna do the entire vehicle, wash and rinse, and then see what we have underneath all of this. Okay, it's been dwelling for about a minute now. I'm gonna spray it down and we're gonna see what we have underneath. So a couple things. A good amount of the grime is off. I do still see a little bit of hazing, meaning that there's a little bit still on there, a little bit of the road grime, but for the most part, it's looking a whole lot better. A pre-wash at a vehicle in this condition probably wouldn't be doing this much unless you're using a heavy dilution, but we're going to do just simply a rinse on this section to see what we're getting simply with just the protection of the SiO2 spray. If I can tell you immediately, the water behavior is not up top, it's a little bit better, but on the bottom, obviously it's still a dirty panel on both of the vehicle, on both of the sections, so we're not gonna get that water behavior that we're looking for. I was expecting a little bit more, but let's do the wash. We'll check the hydrophobics after the wash, see how easy the wash is. We'll also give you feedback on the slickness and the just the user experience in general on a grimy truck like this. As you can see, guys, it's pulling down pretty quickly. We're gonna let this sit on for a little bit, let the foam kind of do its job, let it pull all the dirt off. Like I said, heavily grimy vehicle. It does feel super slick, incredibly slick. It feels like a freshly ceramic coated car. Let's check the bottom section now. Oh yeah, even that bottom section, flip it over, even that bottom section is extremely slick, just like it was ceramic coated. We're not seeing a ton of water beading. We're not seeing a ton of hydrophobics going on here. We'll see. We still got the dry to do. We still want to, you might hit it with a little degreaser to see if that reactivates the hydrophobics.
Right, so we just rinsed off all the soap. We're going to try hitting this with degreaser, see if we get any different action going on.
pre-wash, foam, contact wash, then we hit it with the degreaser, gave it a wipe down with the degreaser also. We have a completely flat surface. So the hydrophobics were not brought back. Everything is, it looks like there's really no protection on here. This is a ceramic coated vehicle already, so there should be some sort of protection here. So we'll actually see after the dry. We're gonna dry it and then hit it with water also to see what's going on. But as far as the slickness on the surface, it is extremely slick. So something is still going on here on the vehicle surface. Okay, as we all know, hydrophobics and water behavior is going to be one of the indicators of the protection still being on the surface. With that said, we didn't have much hydrophobics after the wash here. This is not just your normal wash of a vehicle that's, garage kept, or a vehicle that's just been kind of driven around town. This vehicle just got back from Reno. The hydrophobics were not where we were expecting, but on the flip side, this thing's slickness and gloss is still incredibly through the roof, beyond my expectations of what it would look like. I would think, okay, a vehicle that has gone through that rough of an ordeal in travel is going to be a little bit more beat up. You're probably going to lose some gloss. You're going to lose a little bit of the slickness on the surface. This thing cleaned up extremely well. I'm going to do some shots, and this is literally just a wash, a simple wash. We just washed it one time. We did the pre-wash, foam, contact wash, dry, towel dry, and then we did a blow dry, and then I'm just following it up with a detail spray. I'm going to give you guys shots, and I'm going to let you guys be the judge, because the slickness was still insane. The hydrophobics just are not there. So I'm probably going to apply either bead maker on this guy here, just as a topper, just to kind of put an extra boost into that SiO2 and to see where it goes next month. So stick around. We're going to keep doing durability tests on this, guys, in real world fashion, and we'll let you guys know exactly what the results are and our opinion of the product going forward. I'm still liking this product. It's still doing well. It's shown me that it's protecting because it's so easy to clean up. I've washed cars in the past 2-3 times just to get all the soot and all the grime and all the salt off of vehicles that have gone to the snow. This vehicle, one wash, to me, that's already telling me the protection is doing its job. So I'll let you guys be the judge. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. If you want more detailing tips, reviews, advice, you can always go to the consulting line as well, linked in the description below, if you want any advice for your detailing business. And also catch us at the School and training. Those are invite only, and we're doing those a few times a year. So for Joel with details, Sal behind the camera, we'll catch you guys on the next one. We're out.